Yup, that's right. This isn't an Apple household. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Now again, just like the Dell Pro Max 14, this is not mine, so don't ask for more videos on this. Anyways, we're just gonna get right into this thing. So this is from Samsung, obviously, and it was bought at a Costco because, well, yeah, and I'm very bad at unboxing things, but we're gonna try our best. So yeah. Oh, okay, I guess it's like that then. Okay. Can they just come up? Okay, so we slide that out, and then we oh, we have a couple of, there's two boxes in here. So we've got this box, which is the keyboard cover thing. So this is the keyboard cover. We're going to set that aside, like right there. And we've also got, I'm pretty sure this is the, this is the tablet itself, the Galaxy Tab itself. And, yeah, we're going to unbox both. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Let's just, oh, there's something else in here. There's more stuff in here. Nice. Oh, this is probably the stylus. It just came in this, which is crazy. Is this the stylus? No, there's apparently nothing in here. That's strange. Is there anything else in here? Looks like the stylus came out or something. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I guess they included two of these randomly. I don't know what these are about. But let's just throw the box aside. Looks pretty nice from the pictures. Anyways, we'll get into unboxing it. We'll get into the case first, actually. So, yeah. Alright, so here is the keyboard cover. So, we're going to be unboxing this. Oh, they put tape on this? Well, obviously, but come on, guys. This is really stupid for our purposes. Okay, that tape wasn't too bad to get off. I mean, that was pretty simple. But they put some on this side. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. As you can see, I did read your comments, by the way, and yes. Okay, please don't comment that again, though, because yeah. Anyways, we got the other piece of tape off, and now we can open this. I think. Can we open this? Pretty sure we can. Is there more tape? The answer to your question is no. I'll be right back. Okay, so it turns out I didn't take out the tape properly. So anyways, we're going to do this again. If you guys didn't know already, I'm really bad at unboxing. Is there another box in here? Samsung, what the heck? Come on, Samsung, why? Why did you have to do this? Why is there another box in here? Anyways, we got this, which is the keyboard cover case thing, which looks pretty nice, actually. I'm going to throw that. And there's peel. Alright, we're back. Okay, so that has been taken off, even though I could have done that on video, but I didn't. Okay, so Samsung, throw that. Okay, so this is the cover. So how this works is there's a piece of paper in here. Whatever. Anyways, how this works is this is the keyboard, because it comes with a keyboard, which is really cool. It has the Galaxy AI button. Oh my gosh, so there's an entire keyboard here. We've got this, which is for the tablet, I assume. And then this is the pen holder, which is really nice because there's a pen holder. And there's a full size, there's a keyboard, man. This is cool. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. Oh, it's magnetic, too. That's really nice. So you don't need to buy a case for this because this is technically the case. So that's cool. So now we are going to go with the tablet. So this obviously again is the Galaxy S10 FE. The box just says Galaxy Tab, and the bottom of the box says Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Now if we turn the box aside, there's obviously the tape is right here, just like on the Dell laptop, so we have to go really carefully. That feels absolutely amazing. And then I think we can just do a nice little... Oh my gosh, this thing is bigger than a phone box. So apparently you can't do this. Oh wait, there's one on the bottom. Wow, that was... Okay. So we got it. Oh my... No! That's not good. Luckily there's one on the left side. We're good. Don't worry. Imagine this thing is running Windows. It's not. It's running Android. Definitely. So, yeah. Luckily, this isn't an iPad because that would have sucked. Anyways, we are going to now try and open this. Okay, so now we can open this. Kind of. If we can open this. Oh my gosh, can we not open this? I mean, we took that... Oh, okay. Apparently, we did not take that out. Oh my... Okay, so, like, these are just stupid. Okay, now we should be fine. There we go. So, here's that. And, anyways, we've got the tablet itself, which we can just... Oh, we can do this, which is nice. That's really cool. We've also got the pen, which is the S Pen. The S Pen looks really nice, actually. Look at this. It doesn't have the button, I think. Does it? No, but we got the Samsung branding, so that's really cool. And we've got our instruction manual. Oh, and we got a SIM card ejection thing. Because you can use a SIM card with this, which is really nice. We're going to set this aside because we don't really need... Wait, do they include Apple stickers? I mean, not Apple stickers. Do they include stickers like Apple does? I mean, Apple doesn't include stickers anymore, but you get the point. The fact that I can't open this is concerning. Okay, whatever. There's probably nothing important in there anyway. Anyways, we're gonna get on to the... We're gonna set this aside. We're gonna get on to the tablets now, what everyone came for. And this is the tablet. So we're going to take off this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to flip this. And... Oh my god. This does not sound satisfying at all. This does, though. Okay, apparently you didn't even have to peel that. Okay. So as you can see, it's a tablet. Let's look at the back. See. Okay, so it's black. I mean, it's gray-ish. Pretty nice. We got the camera. We've got the Samsung branding right here. Samsung, really nice. Let's test it out with let's put the case on it. Because, yeah, let's grab the case. It's over here. And we're going to grab it from its nice little thing here. We're going to move the tablet. Move the case, like, right here a bit. And attach the tablet. I'm assuming this is... I don't know how this works exactly. Oh, okay, I get it. I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got it like this, and I'm pretty sure the pen is not magnetic. Unlike... Oh, wait, never mind. It is magnetic. That's cool. So it's like Apple's. This literally... Except Apple's has, like, the trackpad. But that's fine. Who really needs the track... Who really needs a trackpad? Where did the... Okay, here it is. So yeah, here's the S Pen again. Let's turn this thing on. Because, yeah. Unlike the Dell, we can turn this one on. Samsung Galaxy. And we got the classic secured by Knox screen, which is really, really nice and cool. Okay, so now it's booting. Powered by Android. Yeah, I'm going to turn the brightness down so we don't get a bit of glare. We're going to lock it like this for a second. Okay, so welcome. Okay, so this is new UI 7, I'm guessing. We can just tap next. Okay, yeah, we can. The S Pen works, which is nice. For your review. So it's going to ask us to accept the license terms. Obviously, we'll do that. We're not going to send diagnostic data. Next. Easy setup with another device. We're going to set up manually because we don't have another device. And now we got to connect to the Wi-Fi network, so I'll be right back. Getting your tablet ready. Ah, what a clock. Wait, what's the battery? We are at 38% apparently. That's crazy. And oh yeah, it looks like it's running One UI 7, which is good. Obviously, this thing has USB-C, so that's nice. This may take a few minutes. Copy apps and data. Don't copy because there's nothing to copy over anyway. Checking in. Oh, we're gonna sign in with Google now. We have to sign in with Google now, don't we? I think we do. Yep. I'll be back.